Hey, what is up guys, I'm Tech. So you want to edit 4K or even 8K on a slow computer? Well, luckily there is a method that you can use to edit 4K or even 8K on any PC, and this is done by something called proxy files. Basically what proxy files are, they are duplicates of your original 4K or 8K file converted into a small low res like 480 or even 720. Now I do have a powerful enough PC that can handle 4K with no problem, but I still create proxy files when adding a lot of video effects or transitions to a video, as that helps a lot tremendously. So let me show you guys how my workflow to creating proxies is and how you guys can create your proxy files for your next video. So before we even start, make sure you guys have Adobe Media Encoder, as this is going to allow you to make the proxy files. And if you don't have Adobe Media Encoder, I will make sure to put the link down below in the description to the download link, so where you can download it and all that. So once you already have it downloaded, import your large 4K or even 8K footage, and you want to make sure that all the footage is highlighted in the media project bin. From here, right click on your mouse and then click on proxy and then create proxies. The proxy files window will pop up, and this is where you want to customize your proxy settings. So I prefer to have the format as QuickTime because I think that works the best. And also the preset, make sure you have it to 1280 by 720 GoPro Cineform. As for the destination, set it to next to original media, because that is where the proxy files are going to be next to the high-res files, and it just makes it easier without having you to have them in a separate folder. And finally click OK. And the media encoder will automatically pop up, and it's going to do its job to convert all the high-res files into the files that we selected, which were the 720p files. This should take some time depending on how many files and how large the clips are, but just sit back and relax while this is finishing. And once the proxies are completed, you can go back to Adobe Premiere and you will see the proxy files on your media bin. And the last thing you need to do is you need to go to your program source monitor and hit the plus toggle to add the proxy button here. The proxy toggle button looks like this, so just drag it to your source monitor and boom, you are done. Now you can switch between the low res and the high res files by toggling on and off the proxy button. When the proxies are on, it should turn blue. And yeah, you can start editing your footage very smoothly, and you shouldn't have any problem when editing 4K or even 8K footage. So that's gonna do it for this video guys. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to leave a like. Also comment down below if you have any feedback and let me know what you guys think. So that's gonna do it for this video. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.